Hey guys, it's Tara and Tony here, and today I will be sharing 7 trendy gift ideas for nurses. Stick around. Gift idea number 7 are these foldable clipboards. These clipboards have been trending a lot. They're so useful, especially these ones that come with reference notes. If you know a new nurse, they will benefit from these. They are great, they are trending, they are pretty handy, and trust me, they will appreciate this. You can get it from Amazon. Number 6 in the list is the Athena fanny pack. These fanny packs are so handy. Nurses are loving them because they're small, they're cute. This will definitely make an amazing gift. Number 5 on the list is the Yeti coffee mug. These mugs are the beast, and nurses are loving them because they keep your coffee warm throughout the day, and we work long hours. You can get the Yeti coffee mug, or you can also get the water bottle, which are really good as well because they keep your drink cold for the whole day. And Stanley is the other brand that's also trending. Nurses are loving them. Honestly, it's like a competition right now. If you have one of these, you're the bomb. Number 4 on the list are the Burkins. These shoes are trending. Apparently, they're durable, they're very comfortable, and nurses and doctors are loving them. These will make a perfect gift. Number 3 on the list are the Apple Watches. If you're gonna get a smartwatch, make sure it's Apple because the nurses are always checking out what you have on and what not. But at the end of the day, they really just want to track their activities, their steps. It's really fun that way. I think it makes a great gift. Number 2 on the list are the fig scrubs. These scrubs, they fit so well. They're so trendy. They're beautiful. If you're gonna get it, just get the gift card. Number 1, a gift card to the spa will definitely be really thoughtful because we always soar. And we love Starbucks. Hopefully this helps.